anyone here took the abuse as a child and didn't stand up for yourself, it's not your fault. You are not supposed to defend yourself if you are a child. You are exempt. Exempt from self-defense. And if something happened to you when you were a child, there comes a time where you have to bury that relationship. After a certain age, it is toxic. Even if you had the most evil parent in the world, after a point, it is diminishing returns and oftentimes toxic. So we don't want to keep encouraging ourselves to blame our parents. Number one thing you have to do if you want to be compassionate to yourself is that you have to reparent yourself like your parents never did. You have to love yourself so much that you have to activate the inner mother, the inner father, and begin reparenting yourself with the new narrative.